Well, folks, I'm no psychic, but as of late May 31st, the National Eating Disorder Association, also known as NEDA, has taken down chatbot Tessa after reports that the chatbot was actually providing harmful advice. This is Kadi Grigg in Alexandria, Virginia. Let's rewind to my previous report on Tuesday, May 30th, where I highlighted NEDA's plan to replace all human staff with Tessa. At that time, I expressed my skepticism, firmly believing that those in desperate need of help sought human connection, not just a string of helpful links to read. After all, if they wanted to scour the internet, they could have easily done so themselves. And now here we are with NEDA pulling the plug on their chatbot. But how did we get to this point, you may ask? Well, the answer lies in Tessa's offering of so-called healthy eating tips and weight loss advice. Activist Sharon Maxwell took to Instagram sharing screenshots of the chatbot's recommendations, and let me tell you, it's evidence that this chatbot would do way more harm than good. How? By providing dangerous tips to those with serious disordered eating patterns and behaviors. The chatbot went so far as to discuss healthy calorie deficits to aid in weight loss, recommending weekly weigh-ins, and even where to buy calipers for determining body composition and locations of where to make said purchases. Cringeworthy stuff. To put it plainly, every piece of advice offered by Tessa would only enable someone in the grip of an eating disorder to continue down a dangerous path and potentially worsen their condition. So again, why am I reporting on this? Because I've been witnessing a trend lately where companies think chatbots will be the ultimate solution to replace human interaction. But the problem is they seem to forget who their users really are. If companies, especially crisis lines, genuinely care about the communities they serve, they need to carefully consider their true needs before rolling out language models that could potentially offer support at the cost of human staff who have been providing that invaluable connection people seek. Yes, it may require investing time and resources in employees and volunteers, and scaling might be difficult, but if these organizations truly want to make a difference, they must invest in the necessary human resources. It's these resources that make a genuine impact, not just some technology. So the moral of the story is this. Chatbots are merely tools. If they aren't designed with the end user's needs and emotional vulnerabilities in mind, technology can do more harm than good.
Search for and subscribe to It's 505 wherever you listen to your favorite podcasts.